The academic research I conduct is largely about international media, analyzing how diverse forces and relationships influence the behavior of national media systems. Some of this is of the nature of decolonizing media studies, examining why dominant theory falls short in characterizing global media. Recently, I've also been engaged in an interdisciplinary project that is not academic inquiry, but applied research that aims to solve a real-world problem. I worked with an academic colleague from computer science, Dr. Dan Finnegan, to develop a camerawork simulator called ViewfindR to help media students develop their creative decision-making skills. ViewfindR uses extended reality technology and immerses students in three-dimensional video game-like environments in which they can plan and practice their camera work. It has a choice of locations, static and moving characters, and cameras and lights that simulate professional equipment. Users can experiment with camera positions and angles, framing, composition, staging, lighting, and filming visual sequences. This software tool supplements traditional over-the-shoulder instruction and frees users from limitations of time, location logistics, and access to equipment. It allows students to practice at their own pace, develop their director's eye, and gain confidence in their creative decisions. ViewfindR has been supported by several rounds of funding from the UK Research Councils. Our prototype is hosted on Cardiff University servers and is licensed to test users in other universities while we develop it further. We are now working on incorporating AI tools to provide automated assessment and feedback. Our ambition is to make this virtual learning environment available to students across the world and help them learn deeper and faster.